tractor anybody be proud to own as only the second owner.
Yeah, all good work. Cool, isn't it?
Oh yeah, there's another. So you got three now. That's right. Here you go. Run on that one where? I don't know. You start me. Put it just where you like. I don't mind a bit when we start. Should we start in 10? That's a bit low. I'll do it. Go on. 5,000. 5,000 man. 5,000 man. Now up yourself. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. 11. 11,000. 11,000. 11,000 man. In 11,000 man, I'll take a half. In 11,500, where you like. 11,500. 11,500. 12. 12,000. If I was buying a Marshall, this is the one I would want. In 12,000. At the moment, I got a steam engine and a wife. I'm just getting away with that. In 12,000. In 12,000. In 12,000. Can I find more? No? In 12,000. In 12,000. I'll take a quarter to help you. In 12,000. In 12,000. In 12,000 man's a quarter where you will. In 12,000 man, you're going to pass up the chance. In 12,000 man's a quarter or not. Last chance. In 12,000 man, the bid's back there and he's looking worried. In 12,000 pounds. In 12,000 man, you all sure? Yes, sir.